Imagine voting without knowing what a political party truly plans for your future or the country's future. But that's exactly what we have been doing. Let's turn this on its head. What if we demand that they show us their cards early? Jamaica, it's time to break a frustrating habit. As we approach the next general election, we need the two main political parties, the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, and the People's National Party, PNP, to release their manifestos early. Imagine the difference. The difference if we, the public, could finally get a head start on debating, analyzing, and challenging their plans, not days before the vote, but months before. So why now? Why push for this? Because waiting until the last minute is old news, and quite frankly, we deserve better. For years, we have been handed manifestos just days before Election Day, almost like they are secrets. And by the time we get to understand the policies and promises, it's voting day. No time to think, no time to challenge, and certainly no time to make informed choices. It's almost as if they expect us to just nod and vote without question. But why should we accept that? Isn't it our right to know, to hold leaders accountable? So here's the bold truth. Releasing manifestos early can change the entire narrative of this election. What are the key benefits of early manifesto releases? Number 1, real public engagement. Early manifestos mean time to discuss, debate, and digest. Imagine communities across Jamaica, neighborhoods, town centers, and even online spaces, buzzing with meaningful conversation about real issues and future possibilities. Number 2, a shift in political debate quality. It raises the bar for the campaign itself. No more shallow promises or vague slogans. Parties would need to address the nitty-gritty details, and we, the voters, would get to ask, how will you do this? Where's the plan? Number 3, empowering the youth. Think about our younger generation, those 18 and over. They're ready to vote, but they need a reason to. An early manifesto release allows young Jamaicans to digest issues that affect their future and gives them more incentive to turn up on Election Day. Number 4, accountability at every level. If parties publish manifestos early, each political candidate must align with and contribute to these plans. Imagine if each candidate were required to outline 6 concrete actions they would take for their constituency. Accountability would no longer be just a word, but a promise they must keep. Number 5, bringing the diaspora into the discussion. Jamaicans abroad care deeply about our country's future, and with early manifesto releases, they too can participate in the conversation. Their voices matter, and they bring perspectives and ideas that can enrich our discussions here at home. Number 6, making voting count. Early manifesto releases help voters make informed decisions. It's not just about picking a party, but choosing a future. A well-informed electorate is a powerful one, and it can push for meaningful change beyond Election Day. This is what we wish. The JLP and PNP release their manifestos months ahead, and the candidates put up their 6-point plans for each constituency at local libraries or online. Suddenly, every voter has access to clear, detailed visions for each constituency. It's no longer a guessing game. This could be the election where promises are actually dissected and understood long before we cast our ballots. If you are as excited about this vision as we are, hit that subscribe button and join our movement to improve Jamaica. The more informed we are, the stronger our voices become. Let's make change happen together. This is a call to both the JLP and PNP. Show us you respect our voices by trusting us with your plans. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has already spoken about the importance of seeing past political promises, urging us to consider the economy and our nation's future. Here's his chance to lead by example by releasing his party's vision ahead of time. As for the PNP, they should meet or exceed this standard if they are serious about stopping a third term for the JLP. Give the people something substantial to discuss and debate. It's the kind of campaign Jamaica deserves. Jamaica, it's time we demand more. We need to be able to see, question, and understand the plans shaping our nation's future. We have the power to make this change by asking, no, demanding, that the parties release their manifestos early. Let's push for transparency, let's ignite conversation, and let's make the 2025 election a turning point. Share this message, talk to your friends, your family, and let's make our voices too loud to ignore. After all, Jamaica, this is our future. Let's choose it wisely.